January by Anna Dittmann. Version 3 special treatment, including the free electric diamonds. We first have the electric diamonds over on the widest areas of the flowers around her. So remember, don't place it on her cheeks or on her forehead, only place it on the widest flowers. And then we start the version 1 special treatment with violet pearls that we have sprinkled on the violet flowers. So these are the violet flowers. You can place them some over here. Just remember not to place that over here because that is a portion of her face. And then for version 2, we've got prism pearls that we have sprinkled on the corners. These are the darkest areas in the picture just to give it an added glisten. And finally for version 3, we've got lilac crystals that we have placed in some of the lighter violet areas, also known as the lilac area. So simply match. As you can see, these are the violet pearls. They're more solid purple. And these are the lilac crystals. So they're a bit translucent, which makes them look very light purple. So place them in this section. You can place some also around the electric diamonds where you place it, just to give it a nice touch.